Chairman Mr. Arvind Garg, Mr. Krishnan, President, ICMA, Mr. Nimesh Patel, Mr. Bhupendra Singh, distinguished dignitaries, colleagues from industries, and all my dear friends. Construction, equipment, manufacturing industry is very important for the country because our government has given highest priority for the development of infrastructure in the country. The dream of our Prime Minister to make Indian economy as the super economic power #1 in the world. And also on the mission that we want to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat. For any type of development where we need infrastructure, and infrastructure is the most important key for the success of any country. The water, power, transport and communication. Without that, we cannot have industry. Without industry, we cannot have capital investment. And without industry and capital investment, we don't have employment potential. And without employment potential, we cannot eradicate the poverty. In the present scenario, in our GDP growth, the 12% of the growth is coming from agriculture and allied industries, 22 to 24% from the manufacturing sector, and 52 to 54% from the service sector. Today, in the present scenario, it is the time for Indian economy that we need to encourage infrastructure development in the country. We are making a lot of highways. Presently, from last 8 years, 9 years, now we can going up to 9 years now, we, in my own department where I got appointed to work, we have at least more than contracts of 50 lakh crore we have already signed and given to them. And now in the process, for the cabinet approval, we have already submitted the note of Bharatmala 2 that costing 30 lakhs crore. So presently, in the mining industry also, the industry is open now for the private sector. There is also a huge investment we are expecting. And the power sector, in the green power, everywhere we are expecting huge investment. And that is one of the important reasons that India has got a huge potential. As far as the automobile industry is concerned, the size of the industry is 7.5 lakh crore. And my dream is to make it that industry of 15 lakh crore. And that is the reason that we have got all potential for that. The automobile industry in the country, which is paying highest tax to the government as a form of GST, to the state government and central government. The industry create employment potential of 4 crore 50 lakh jobs. And therefore, this is the industry which is going to create wealth in the country. At the same manner, the role of construction equipment industry is equally important. In the world, India is the third largest construction equipment market in the world. But I want to tell you the story of automobile industry. Previously, our number was 4. But now we have surpassed Japan. And now in automobile industry, our number is 3. So that is the reason that I will request all of you to accept this challenge that how we can make Indian construction equipment industry #1 in the world. That is the challenge you have to accept. That is a difficult task, but it's not impossible. It can possible. Because I feel that presently the size of the industry is of 50,000 crore and industry's total volume is 1 lakh equipment. Domestic sale is 90,000 equipments and current growth in the sales is 26%. The way in which we are planning for Green Express Highway and road infrastructure, I am confident that this is going to create more demand in the market for the equipments and 100% it is going to increase 3 times more. So here is a huge opportunity. The employment which is given by this industry is 30 lakhs. I feel that the industry has got the potential to create the employment of 1 crore youth in the country. Because we can increase more export. For Atmanirbhar Bharat, it is very important that we need to reduce our import and to increase our export. Presently, the information given to me, the industry is importing 30% of the cost we are spending on imports or importing of the components. My request to organizer and even for the association and all responsible office bearers that you should take a workshop on that and how it can be possible for making joint venture with the international companies by which we can make all type of components in India. For Atmanirbhar Bharat, this is very important. Even the way in which our industry is now making research, development, I feel that we have got all the potential is available with us. The highest young talented engineering manpower in the world is available in India. Now the IIT, the engineering college are doing excellent job. I am giving you the example of e-scooter. Now we have 400 young talented people started manufacturing of e-scooters in the country. And they are giving excellent models. And everywhere they are getting good market in the country. Now they are making export. And today that is why I am telling you that this industry has got a huge potential. But for that reason we need to make more research. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill and successful practices, we name it as knowledge and conversion of knowledge into wealth in the future. Regarding this industry, I will request particularly the association that you can establish your own university. Only for construction equipment, machinery, and you can make the joint venture with the international giants by which it can possible for you to take the technology to India. There is a huge potential. Even the big industry can start their engineering college, even IITs and private universities. Now the problem is that from the driving training center also we have got a lot of shortage. We need 22 lakh drivers, but we don't have driving schools. We are trying to giving encouragement for that. But regarding construction equipment, machinery, skilled manpower is very important. And here I will request you, the manufacturer, to start your own training program. For that reason, if you can give me the proposal, we will sanction that. You can take the examination, you can give the certificate, and that can be very much useful. Even the contractor who are purchasing the machine from you, you can take your expertise people there and giving training to the people of that area, and you can give them certificate, and we will sanction and give recognition for that from the Ministry of Road Transport. We are ready to help you. The skilled manpower is very, very important. I feel that the export potential is very important. Already in the whole world, the cost of production in India is compared with the other countries is very less. There are some countries who are in the competition. But the majority countries in the world, they don't want to deal with that countries. That is the reason that you have got a good potential. If your quality is good, your rates are reasonable, by making manufacturing here, make in India and made in India, if you can reduce the cost 100%, there is a huge potential for the export. I feel that by innovative technology, you can do it. When on my request, some of the people taking initiative using CNG in their equipments, halfly CNG and diesel mixer, they get the export order. So the whole world, because the fuel is a big problem, the three important pillars of the society is ethics, economy, ecology and environment. And ecology and environment is a big concern. The whole Delhi is facing the problem of pollution. And this is the time that we need to understand that how we can reduce the cost of construction. In the particularly the 1,000 crore contract, the contractor expenditure on diesel is 100 crores. If you can make LNG machines, then their expenditure will be only 40 crores. I just got appointed to launch LNG truck in Pune. from Blue Energy, the truck running, one you fill the LNG, it can go up to 1400 kilometers. And the cost of LNG is less. And now we have got the technology that 5 ton of Parali, rice straw is giving 1 ton of bio LNG or bio CNG. My own tractor already we have converted on bio CNG. So there is a huge potential, not only for LNG, but even for hydrogen also there is a huge potential. Just 15-20 days before I was here, the Tata and Leyland launched their trucks, IC engine. They can use now hydrogen there. We can make hydrogen from the coal, that name is black hydrogen. We can make hydrogen from petroleum, that is brown hydrogen. And now we can make hydrogen from water or from the biomass or municipal waste, that is to be named as green hydrogen. I have got the car from Toyota. In Japanese language, the name of the car is Mirai. Mirai means future, Bhavishya. So beautiful car, actually, the car was with me, but I missed that. So there are a lot of things now, the green hydrogen is available in the market. We are the highest #1 manufacturer of electrolyzer in the world now. And the cost of the electrolyzer is only 1,20,000, 1 crore 20 lakhs. And even we can use wastewater for that. And also from biomass. Just I got opportunity to visit in Bangalore, the Indian Science Research Institute. They are making hydrogen from biomass, the municipal waste. So it can be available now, and I feel that the target of the government, we have hydrogen mission. And our target is to take the cost of the hydrogen up to 100 rupees per kg. The car can run up to 450 kilometers. You understand the economics. Diesel is a very hazardous fuel. This is the time for you to replace the diesel and petrol. Now we are launching flex engines. The flex engines by which in place of petrol we can use bioethanol. The rate of the petrol is 120 rupees per liter and ethanol rate is 60 rupees per liter. The Toyota has got a hybrid model where they can use ethanol 100% in flex engine and even 40% electricity generated, and that is to be cost effective and pollution free. The Bajaj, TVS and Hero have already launched their two-wheelers on 100% bioethanol. So ethanol is available in the country. First of all, we are making ethanol from sugarcane juice, from molasses, B molasses, C molasses. Now government is giving permission to making ethanol from rice, broken rice, corn, sugar and then food grain. Now we have a plant in Assam with Indian oil that we have ethanol from bamboo, biomass. In the Panipat, the Indian oil has already opened the plant from Parali, rice straw. They are making 1 lakh liters of bioethanol per day and 150. Central Research Road Organization and CSR, both are already given me the proposal, a proven technology proposal by which organic carbon which can be useful in agriculture. So presently our need for bitumen is 80 lakh ton, out of which only 50 lakh ton is available from Indian refineries and 30 lakh ton of bitumen we are making import for that. And this bio bitumen is proved to be better than petroleum bitumen. There are 8 good features which are very important, and today we have decided, I just discussed with my secretary and chairman of NHI, that we are planning to introduce the new policy that NHI in road construction, whatever the bitumen will be making from rice straw, we will purchase it and we will give the priority for that. Is burning there, you can make the bitumen and you can use that. So that can be possible. So I feel that even in the express highway, I was in Ahmedabad, we are making that Ahmedabad, Dolaro, something name is there, express highway there. and we are using 20 lakh ton of municipal waste in it. So this is a challenge to the equipment manufacturer that we need the machinery by which we can segregate the solid waste and we can use that waste for in the road construction. Because the conversion of waste into wealth is equally important. We are allowing the waste tire from the world. I requested already after my request, the Environment Ministry is giving approval. And that rubber tire powder, rubber that we are using in bitumen, 15%. So my suggestion is there are different new innovations and research are available where we are expecting cooperation from you. At the same time, our Prime Minister's dream is to make Indian economy of $5 trillion, the world-class infrastructure, that is our target. And for that reason, the mechanization plays important role in the quality and time-bound construction work. The new type of equipment, I will request to all of you, if the technology is not available in the country, you can make the joint venture with the different part of the technology available in the world. And you can upgrade your technology. And that is very important. I feel that in the construction, road construction, there is a huge, huge potential. Just our proposal which is submitted to the cabinet of Bharatmala 2, where already we have the planning of making of roads construction of 30 lakh crores. We are making green express highways. We are making the ROB and ROB of 16,000 crore. We want to encourage precast industries. Precast is very important in the construction industry, and now we are also in the formulation of the policy for making the contractor who are going to purchase the construction equipment which are on alternative fuel, that is on CNG, LNG, biodiesel, ethanol, green hydrogen and electric. We are now planning to give a good scheme for the contractor with a lower interest by which they can purchase that equipment. Even you can purchase the trucks also. I feel that it is economically viable. At the same time, the people who want to start precast industry, the enforcement concrete is very important. We are now making it mandatory everywhere. That is to be, our mission is how we can reduce the cost of construction without compromise with the quality. And that is the reason I feel that there is a huge potential for your new innovations and research. We are making 35 multimodal logistic parks of 2 lakh crores. We are now planning to start at least making of 500 bus port-like airports. We have already in the process of sanctioning of 260 ropeway, cable car and funicular rails. My suggestion to all of you that everywhere there is a huge potential. We are transparent, time-bound, result-oriented and corruption-free. No contractor need to come to us before signing any contract. And that is the reason that this is really a good atmosphere for you, all of you. Now I feel that regarding the construction equipments, training is important. And the manufacturer should take this responsibility. Even on the contractor side, you can start the training program by using your machinery and come to me. I will give recognition and all type of permission for that. Because now presently, the driving training institute is not available. Even the construction equipment machinery, the skilled manpower is very important, where we need your cooperation for that. At the same time, the universities, IITs, where you can make the joint venture. Even there are a lot of people who are making research. And I feel that that can give you a new innovation research in your industry. I feel that your collaboration with the research organization, your collaboration with IITs and engineering colleges will be helpful for you. Even I will request you as an association of an industry, construction equipment industry, why you are not starting your own university, your own institute for research? Because all this type of investment is going to paying you for the future. It is going to increase our export. It is going to increase your volume and turnover. It is going to increase your profit. And that is exactly my request is, this is the time for you to think for the future. The futuristic technology and futuristic new innovations are very important. Every time the industry is changing. The people who are changing, they are getting benefits. Those who don't want to change, they have to suffer for that. And this is the time I feel that anywhere the four important things are there. The economic viability, availability of raw material, proven technology, and marketability. So on the four bases, you can make anything as a success story. I feel that there is a potential for that. One of the important things, which is my very favorite subject, regarding this diesel fuel. If you are not going to change, the day will come that we have to charge some heavy tax on that. The people who are manufacturing diesel equipment, we will make them more GST on you, that you have to face the problem for that. So before that, this is the time for you. The technology is available on alternative fuel. The electric is available. Hydrogen is available. Now people are starting manufacturing hydrogen. Now the trucks on hydrogen, green hydrogen, we can use it. Even the agriculture, we can make green hydrogen. Now the trucks are available on hydrogen. Buses are already available on hydrogen fuel cell. Now the ethanol is available all over the country. I never understand that. Particularly I have a lot of making requests to that generator set company. It is not a big challenge. They can make generator on the basis of ethanol. But now I am going to request to Finance Minister, the generator who are making generator on diesel, add them 20% more GST, then they can understand and they can think about it to come to alternative fuel. We have the import of fossil fuel of 17 lakh crore. You understand what type of economic challenge is that? We are facing the problem of pollution. Our health problems are because of the pollution, air pollution, pollution in the transport sector. I am the minister for that. I am responsible for that. And this is the time that we need to think about air pollution, water pollution, and sound pollution. So this is the time that the people like you will get good business, but at the same time to maintain ecology and environment. Time for you that you can make your machine LNG, CNG, all Indian alternatives are available. My suggestion is, this is the time for you to think on that line. It will give you business. It will increase your export, and it will reduce all best wishes to them. Will make the scheme, and with the low interest cost and giving some incentives, we are thinking on that line for making of these equipments special, and even we will finance them. At the same time, for precast also, we want to encourage the contractor for that. Even they can improve their self, and they can supply you all type. You don't need to. So stop the equipment and increase the profit of your equipment. And this is really a win-win situation for all. Cost, but now we have taken a decision. The file is coming to me. I am going to sign that. We have to fix up the time period of drivers also. That is not good. In the road, we are facing accidents. And we are now, we will make it mandatory to make AC cabin in all trucks. Even in the construction equipment, I don't know whether it is there or not, but you should think about it, about AC cabins, fixed working hours, fatigue and sleep detection device for trucks, and high-end safety features. This is very important because every year we have 5 lakhs accidents, 1,50,000 deaths. We are losing 3% of GDP in this road accident. And it's really bad for the country. The preventive measures regarding road safety is very, very important. This is one of the important subjects which is touching to my heart. And this is the time that we need cooperation from you for this field. I am really happy, I am giving you the confidence that your size of the industry is 50 lakh crores, 50,000 crore. But 100% at the end of 24, it is going to increase by 1 lakh crore. This is the potential. Only the mining sector, the power sector, the road infrastructure, everywhere, that the huge projects are coming, in the railway also. So that is the reason that good equipments are very important for making good construction. So your innovation, research, and your approach with the international standards and making joint venture with the successful technologies available in the world will pay you. I feel that you are on the line. I request all of you that always I am telling the people that you can donate eye, but you cannot donate vision. The appropriate futuristic vision for your development is equally important. And there is a huge potential for this industry. I am very much confident about it. I am giving my all best wishes to you and full cooperation from my industry for development of this industry in India. Our government is very friendly for development and we will support you. Once again, I am giving my thanks to organize this great function here and giving opportunity to the industry, to people, to understand what type of new technology available and what type of new equipments available in the market. I am really happy. I am giving my all best wishes to all of you for your future success. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you so much to our chief guest, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. Well, truly with the theme, the future of nation building. Let's give him once again a big, big round of applause. On that note, it is now my honor to call upon the CEO of Bauma Corn Expo India, Mr. Bhupinder Singh, for the vote of thanks.